Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called the fixed income, fast income fixed. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this product, fast income fixed. And then I also have some exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money. I also will go through the members area. What is exactly this product? It is all about fast income fixed. Lastly, I will go through I will review the price and upsell as well. So in this video, in the sales page, you can see that the slow start to the new year. Get a fast result fix today. Are you ready to finally get fast result? It's also what is the benefit when you grab this product. You will 10x your fast income method. No experience needed. Full training video for each method. You will get about 10 different methods. How to make money online is much more easier. No tech skill, never taught by me before. All 10 methods still work in 2021, and so much. You click on it and you can see, and you can see it for yourself. The sales video, so sales page, and I will also will state that in the description below. So let's take a look at what my exclusive bonus. This is also this is also training video. Maybe this is not about training, but this is also a membership that will be able to use 10 different methods. You can make money much more faster. So what I make exclusive bonus for you in order to help you to make more money. Let's take a look at my bonus page. Bonus number one, you will get you will get a free course. My free course is a training video. Is also about the value is at least about $497 because you will have to make money. If you want to make money online and how to use it a step by step, get a very newbie friendly A to C course will teach you everything about how you can make money. This course is about focused on affiliate marketing. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing, it's just a very simple is newbie friendly. Just getting started. You just simply to promote people the product and any people buy the product and you will get paid. And some of the product will get paid. You will get such as Warrior plus JV, so you will get a 15% commission. And if you tap into the kickback and you will get 75% commission. And some of them, if you have super affiliate, that is more, you can make more and make a certain of amount of sales, such 1,000 sales in a month. You can contact ClickBank vendor, and also to bump up your sales commission up to 90% commission. And this everything you will teach you inside in this course. It is also a very variable that you can sign up for. You can sign up for free. I also do you will get about free membership. When you get this free membership, you have the affiliate link. You can share that whatever you want. Anybody you can get paid in two ways. Anybody to upgrade. And also when they pick up any solo ad package, and you will get paid. But also I highly recommend you can, when you grab this free membership, you can take a look what is the benefit, what benefit of you upgrade, because also upgrade you will have a much easier for you to make more commission. But also this is optional. You can upgrade or anyway, or if you want to get fast more result, then you can also to pick up any solo ad, because solo ad is much easier for you to get fast result. But you can use it, but if it's optional, but you can use it a free membership giveaway, and you will get paid in two ways. Bootcamp. This is a free affiliate bootcamp you can join. How to make a full-time career in 100 states and get paid in recurring income. This is also a affiliate bootcamp decided by famous software software company. When you join this affiliate bootcamp, you will about 15 super affiliate to how to promote this software, because this is a membership based software. So you will get paid after month. But free the page build software. This is also this is a software that you can grab it, and you don't have to pay anything, such as a click funnel and list page, and you want to build your opt-in page to build your list. It is free of charge. You can instantly to join this page builder. Other than that, you can also instantly become their affiliate, also to build your get more affiliate commission lah. By that, you will get another other website. This is a free to join affiliate wealth maximizer that you can have. This is free affiliate program. What you can do, you can make multiple stream of income, and you can promote your products or affiliate program, and also you can build your email list. This is also the first of all for all online marketer. This is also you can first of all is to build your email list, and other than that you can also build your downline. It's free, it's completely free. You can sign up. Bonus first, you will get about 6 figure passive income, 6 figure income, and passive income, a complete video course how to start a successful business. Bonus number 7, you will get a 7-day product creation, a turbo strategy showing how you can create your own digital product in 7 short days. Bonus number 8, you will get access a free book. This is the easy way and fast way to start learning on Fiverr. Fiverr is outsourcing website. Everything you can find everything for any online marketer such if you are proof writing and write about short blog posts and also even you have English speaker, you can also put short video for others, and anything you can search for it, and how you can start this side hustle. This free book will get you how to start your learning on Fiverr. And don't forget, you get all my exclusive, included the vendor bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. All my exclusive will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. If you want to simply click below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. The bonus page, and then you will get all my exclusive bonus, and you will get all my exclusive, bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus. You will come to my bonus page, and you will get all my exclusive bonus. Let's take a look at what is inside the members area. Okay, inside the members area. So, the first of all, you will get about welcome message, welcome video, and you can register the free training, join you can join YouTube channel, and join the Facebook group, and this creator is one of my respected mentor to teach you how to do the launch hacking. The second is overview. This is also he will still you how to do overview. This is on main training. Main training session you can you should watch this before your training, introduction to the training, and also you can see that there's also a 10 method. This is also what I don't want to spend too much time to review everything inside in the different method. You will take time. You can take time to watch everything. But I just want to review one of them as for example. As the method one is also a very easy for everyone. You have a basic command of English. If you are US UK, if you have the basic amount of English, you can tap into this part-time income, transcription service, and you can and also you will he will reveal that to you what is the product, what is this service that you can offer, and then you will tap into the different website you can register. This is also what is the other method you will present with a video to explain, and also what other website you can register. But in my opinion, some of them you will get $10 to $20 and maybe $100, and some of them you will get even $1,000 per month. Especially you can tap into the Method 4, and you can see the Method 4 is a very I don't know how to say that, but you can see it for yourself. But Method 10, and in my opinion, this is also some of the method you can maybe you have never heard of it, and especially the Method 10, and you will learn the most of money as a part time. This is also the most popular, and although you can make most of your money, and you will further training, and then you will have the resources. Resources that you also have to tap into, and this another traffic training. There's also a ton of traffic training that you can tap into, And conclusion啦, another way you can conclusion啦, and bonus that how you get all your bonus all your bonus that you be other than registration啦, for the training and join his group and other than that you can all of the training bonus you can grab in this resource brown beer button, because when you as reside when you create your account and then you will get about tons of them ton of his program in 2020 and also some of them you can have resell right, because what is the resell, because some of them product that you can resell it as your own and you will keep 100%. This is a pretty awesome and also they are also come with them as upgrade if you some of upgrade this is also a 5 upgrade bonus giveaway total traffic fix resell right done for you weekly campaigns launch a product with me this also I will then I will reveal to you what is the upsides and as well so let's take a look so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also I will reveal to you what is the price and upsell as well they also have 5 different upsell that you can also grab into the front end is just for the $12.95 upsell number 1 you will have a bonus giveaway price $37 they also come with $70 I highly recommend you can grab it because you can give this product and all my experience products away as the bonus to massive increase your affiliate sales conversion and also to help you build your little that is if you grab this just for down sale just for $70 you can grab this or you can give away this product and also you can give away you can also give his previous product as the bonus. What is the you can see this on if you want to purchase anything and also to promote anything if you can purchase if you give away some bonus this is also you increase your affiliate commission get sale conversion because it's a full training this is also more variable to increase your sales conversion so I highly recommend that you can grab it because it also comes with $70. This is no brainer for down sale upsell number 2 you will get total traffic fixed $97 you will come to $47 and you will get 6 super solo to all the members and all of his 25 of member own the membership in the Make Money Online niche and also Make Money Online you will get a 6 super offer super solo ad and 25 own the membership in the Make Money Online niche and also you will get your banner permanently on my 25 sites and also you will get a free VIP upgrade and then you will get a massive traffic injection and you can grab it for down sale $47 resell fixed income fixed resell $37 it also comes with $70 down sale that is also you will resell this product and keep 100% commission upsell number 4 you will get done for you weekly campaign $97 they also come with $47 and you will get a free done for you campaign each and everywhere what you will do you will get done for you bonus page as I show you in this video and you will get review video product demo and 10 custom bonus delivered to you but also you can I highly recommend that you can grab it because if you and just like me to do it for myself you will spend too much time to decide everything so I highly recommend that you can grab it because you this is about $47 that you will get free done for you the weekly campaign you will save one much time and also the only job is to apply your affiliate link when you get your when they get approval simply copy and paste your link and then you can get what and roll promote this anyone purchase through the bonus pay and you will get paid. That is always very simple bonus number 5 upsell number 5 launch a product with download is also limited to 5 person this is also an exclusive bonus and exclusive opportunity when you want to launch your product $997 you will come with $797 if you want to launch a product with download and you can choose your data and you will guarantee that your success and a buyer list that will earn you money for years to come you will also quickly be able to 5 people if you want to launch a product and you can grab it for down sale $797 啦。But in my opinion 啦，對 upsell 咧，and I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number one 啦。For downsell $70 啦，you will get a giveaway. You can give away as the bonus 啦。You will increase your sale conversion 啦。And upsell number four 啦 ，you will get done for you 嘅 weekly campaign 啦，free done for you 啦，everything you will done everything is done for you for $47啦。For downsell 啦 ，you will get a video 啦，review video 啦，product review 啊，and 10 custom bonus you will save you touch one time 啊，and you get the affiliate program affiliate link 啦，copy and paste 啦，and you anyone purchase through your bonus pay and you will get paid. This is also what my equipment upsell number one and upsell number four. And also included on my bonus page and have a very short demo video lah. So let's take a recap what my exclusive bonus for you lah. Bonus number one, you will get a free video training course $497 lah. Bonus number two, you will get a free membership lah, is value $97 lah. Bonus number three, you will get another free ability bootcamp. This you can $97 value lah. Bonus number four, you will get free buy builder software 啦 ，you will get value for $57 啦。You will get another bonus number five 啦 ，you will get free affiliate program 啦 ，is also for $37 啦。Bonus number six 啦 ，you will get six figure 嘅 income 嘅training course 啦 ，you will value $97啦。Bonus number seven 啦 ，you will get another bonus 啦，7-day product creation 啦 ，the value is $97啦。The last my bonus is also free rebook the easy way to fast way to start learning on Fiverr 啦。All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the raw before the countdown timer hit zero Simply click the link below. Simply click the link below in the description and the first link they will come to my bonus. The first link they will come to my bonus page and you come to my bonus page simply click any this blue button and go and then you will take you to the sales page and you purchase the fund you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit zero All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the raw page So thanks for taking time to check out my Far East Fix review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has other playlists such as marketing tips idea, multiple stream of income and make money on tips. Other than and also please check out my description below. Other than the bonus page, I also have some other freebie that you can grab, such and included training course, and additional free training, and also the free training website you can register, and also you can download free report instantly. So don't forget to check out my description below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.